How to remove someone from share list on Instagram. To do this, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram. To check that, simply tap on App Store, then on the searching bar, search for Instagram. And make sure that there is no any update now button. If you see update now button instead of open, then simply hit on that and update your application. Once you do that, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. From here, go through the profile to whom you want to remove from share list on Instagram. Once you go through their profile, on the top right you will see three dots. Simply tap on it. From here you will see this pop-up. Simply tap on restrict and then hit on the restrict. Then this particular person will be removed from share list on your Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.